Hi everybody, my name's Chris. For those of you just getting started with AMP, I've got some exciting updates regarding our setup and integrations process. Let's jump right in. First off, for those of you looking to send messages quickly, we have a new configuration flow. You simply click over here, Configure Push Provider, and you'll see a list of all the most popular push notification service providers. AMP leverages your existing push notification provider to send your messages, so all you need to do is find the service that you're looking to use, click Activate, and you'll see a pop-up here that requests the credentials and details that we need in order to start messaging. Snap your fingers, fill out the requested details. If you have trouble finding this information, you can simply click right here for instructions for each of the push notification providers. We provide specific instructions on where you can find this information, and then you click Activate. And what you'll see once you've clicked Activate is that we store your credentials here, and you'll see that your service is integrated and you're ready to start sending messages. Done. There are two parts to getting set up with AMP. The first we just talked about, which is sending your messages. The second is getting your app events back to us so we can measure success and optimize your messaging. With regards to that second part, we have a really exciting announcement, which is right here. AMP is now an official Segment partner, which means that you can automate your app event transfers to AMP using Segment. You'll see over here that we are an official Segment destination. There's some handy documentation on the Segment website for how to get that set up. But to summarize how easy it is, just pop back over into the AMP Composer. You'll see here that we have if you go to Configure App Events, you'll see we have a Segment option, and you just click Next. And here, what you need to do is copy this API key to your clipboard and go back to Segment, and you'll see that they have a little page right here where you input the API key and you set that up, and it's all done. Your app event transfers are handled for you automatically through Segment. Once you've set up your push provider and your app events integrations, you're probably going to want to send some test messages to see how this looks on your own phone. And we have a new product update that allows you to do just that. If you go over here into the formula editor and you find a message that you want to send a test message for, click on into that, and then over here you'll see a new little tab called Test a Message. And coming over here, filling in a contact ID for the phone that you want to send the message to and hitting send should do just that. You'll get a little success message letting you know that within 1 to 2 minutes you should receive that message on the phone. Finally, a small but nice to have little update for you as you're getting started is we have a team page here under the Configure tab as well. You'll see here you'll be able to manage all of your users, see everyone who's associated with your AMP account, and easily be able to send invites to any users using the send invite input right here. Those are just a few of the many product updates that we have, but I thought those would be particularly interesting to those of you who are just getting started with AMP. We hope this makes your life much easier, and just reach out to us if you have any questions on anything I've talked about in this video. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks.